Excited about a new iOS update? If the iOS beta causes issues, you can uninstall it and reinstall the official version without a computer. Just back up your device first, as this will erase all data. Here's how to exit iOS 18 beta easily. Part 1. What you should do before removing iOS beta. Backup data. Use iTunes or cloud storage to back up your data before downgrading, and subscribe from beta. Opt out of the beta program to stop receiving updates. Disable Find My iPhone. Turn off Find My iPhone to avoid activation lock issues. Part 2. How to uninstall iOS 18 beta with computer. Method 1. Using an all-in-one downgrade tool. Uninstalling iOS 18 beta is easy with iOS system recovery. It downgrades without data loss and fixes iOS issues like black screens or Apple logo problems, all without iTunes. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer. Launch the application once it's installed and select the iOS System Recovery option. Step 2. Use a compatible cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. In iOS System Recovery, select either Standard or Advanced mode depending on whether you want to keep or erase your data. Step 3. Check the basic information of your iPhone. Confirm your device model and then click Next to download the appropriate firmware package for the version you want to install. Step 4. After the download is complete, click Done to close it. Then your iPhone will be downgraded. Method 2. Using iTunes Finder. 1. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone with a cable. 2. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. 3. When detected, click Restore iPhone in iTunes. 4. iTunes will install the latest iOS version and remove the beta. Part 3. How to remove iOS 18 beta without computer. Method 1. Through iPhone settings. 1. Open Settings, General, Profiles, and Device Management. 2. Tap the iOS beta profile and select Remove Profile. 3. Restart your device. Method 2. Through Beta Profiles download. 1. Open Safari and download the iOS 17.5.1 profile from Beta Profiles. 2. In Settings, tap Profile Downloaded to install. 3. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to install the profile. Here are 4 ways to remove iOS 18 beta.